Hi guys, my name is Ratha. I'm from Cambodia. I'm very interested to participate in an amazing SEAGULL program. I have a dream to innovate a good community and society for our next generation. I decided to apply this program because I realized SEAGULL will give me a lot more new knowledge regarding to societal leadership, making new friends, and networking among young people in Asian countries. Recently, I am a final year's undergraduate student in international relations, which I studied a lot about the community and society development, how to connect the governments and community. I have 3 year experience working in community as well as volunteering within many sectors such as education, health, social enterprise, environmental protection, and good governance. Recently, I am a president of the campus youth club called Social Talk Clubs. Our clubs provide special training to participants such as debating, public speaking, leadership, and teamwork. Our main purpose is to raise participant awareness in social issues and join together to make change our community. I got chances to travel around Asian countries to join many conferences and forums. In fact, I was selected as the Cambodian delegate in ASEAN-Japan Youth Forums in Indonesia, Med Forum in Hong Kong, ASEAN Future Leader Summit in Malaysia and Thailand. If I will be selected to participate in SEAGULL, I will bring these fruitful achievements and experiences to share with all participants towards create a good society for together. On the other hand, my participation will impact to whole community in which I will spread the new knowledge to people in community towards making and reform our community to a better one. In conclusion, I hope I will be selected as a participant in upcoming SEAGULL program. Thank you.